Hello folks, it's Mentor speaking. Welcome back to the 65th episode of the Luganda series. In this episode, tujja kwogera nnyo ku actual forecast and previous ne speech, the fundamental analysis. Now, ebiseera ebisinga, this thing confuses all traders, retail traders, ne bali abakozesa smart money concepts. You don't know what to do when such events come out. If you don't know how to look for these things, we are only trading the news using this strategy that I'm going to show you here. If you don't know how to trade the news, let me show you what you do. Or if you don't know how to look for these things, I know most people, it is their first time. So what you do, waliwo website jebayita investing.com. Okay, you visit this site, investing.com, then nononya economic calendar right here. Then NO1C, when you scroll down, we have the news, okay? Twitter news events, always. 101C, olaba, we have the actual, here we have actual forecast and previous. So most people, bwetubeera high volatility news expected in the Forex market, babeera confused. They don't know what direction the market is going to take. So step by step, njagala tusooke tulabe. Then ne wano tubeerawo ne speech. Okay, tubeera ne speech ezo wano, and you don't know what time to enter the market. It is very simple. Follow me step by step. So what you do is, wano, the actual is not a problem. We are looking at the forecast and the previous. If they show you here that the previous percentage is lower than the forecast, this is a retail concept. A retail concept, because most retail traders will want to buy. Okay, amawulire kasitaga fuluma. Most retail traders will want to buy. Lwaki? Because forecast ebalaga nti we need to buy. We need to be bullish here. Okay? That's what the forecast is all about. RSI ebalaga nti tulimu overbought. So they have to do what? They have to sell. Now, if the previous is the previous percentage is greater than the forecast, neither, you know what to do. Let me show you one screen. So what you do, what to manage this website, it's investing.com. This is what I use. Waliwo websites nyingi nnyo ezi providing amawulire ga forex, the high volatility, waliwo so many websites, but I use this one. Okay, using this one tekitegeeza nti you should use this specific one. You can do your own research, nononya jogenda okozesanga. So let's come back here. We're going to talk about the speech and the AFP, okay, or the actual forecast and previous. Mpola. Here, when the forecast is greater than the previous, retail traders will want to buy. When you come to smart money concepts, this is a signal they are giving you, okay? Baba bakuwa signal. And the big boys, they don't want you to make money. What do you think will happen kusawaza amawulire nga tubadde ne forecast which is greater than the previous? Definitely the big banks will sell. Okay, the big banks will sell. Bajja twala market wansi. The same thing applies to this. Bwe tubeera ne previous greater than the forecast, ebiseera ebisinga, the big boys will do what? They will not sell, because already bakuwadde signal. Already bakugambye akatale kajja kugwa ebbeeyi, so you are thinking about selling. Instead, they will buy. And remember, you are ojabbeera neki otambulira ku what they do, okay, what smart money does. Nawe kyokola. This is only when you're trading the news. Okay, this is when you only trading the news. You're not using these strategies to trade gold and Bitcoin. You're only using these strategies to trade Forex, foreign currencies, currency pairs. All these strategies here, 85% accurate. You leave the 15% to yourself and to the big boys and the broker for price manipulation. How about the speech? These speeches normally affect the market 15 minutes after the speech. Okay? Buli wolaba nga tuina speech, let me show you. I will give you examples ku chart. When you come here, ojalaba tuina speech wanawali ya kazindalo, okay? Every time you see a muzindalo somewhere, eno ebera speech. This is also a speech. This is also a speech. This is also a speech. So what do you do? Ojabeera mukatale ahead of time, okole analysis, but the market will be affected 15 minutes after the actual time here. So let me say, for example, you're trading the euro at this time. Sawa kumi nedachika na mutano is a New York. You're going to add 15 to the minutes here. That is 5 a.m. Isawaza New York. Kastobera in speech, you're going to look for opportunities to either buy or sell. Chichicho ononya, you're looking for previous highs and previous lows. Okay, you're using all the strategies zetuzenga tuigawano ku YouTube. Okuvira dala ku episode soka to the previous episode. You're looking for all-time highs and all-time lows. You're looking for intermediate highs and lows. You're looking for old highs and lows. You're looking for so many things. Boba tona tegera chichiche bitegeza. Please go back to the previous videos. You watch and rewatch all your kotegere chokola. So how do you do your fundamental analysis before ngatona kola technical analysis? This is part of the fundamental analysis. But there is another analysis that you're supposed to do. Bobo manyinti, let me say for example, on the euro currency pair, sorry, the euro currency, twina, let me just give it Eurozone, twina, let me say the Eurozone, eina AFP, oba but what day forecast previous, okay, never to false signal here, retail concept. Now this is what you're going to do. Ojagenda okole technical analysis. What do I mean by you doing a technical analysis? Ojaso kotonolide euro currency yonga yo equality, not a euro currency pair, but the euro currency index. The euro currency index, yo chichiche kola, chichiche gamba. Now if you don't know how to find this, kankulage what you do. Then you're going to go to your browser. Ujagenda ku browser yo, just like Google, Chrome, and whichever you're using. But I highly recommend you okozesa computer, because computer ejakuwa details. Come here, come to a website called net. Sorry, Mataf, sorry. It is TAF. Okay, you come here. This is the website. This is the website. Why am I not telling you to use TradingView? Bobosa Sude TradingView, you're going to get the same thing that this website provides. Na ye echifucho kusasula TradingView, yet we have something that we can use here for our technical, technical analysis. I highly recommend you using this. Save that money for the Bintu Ebidala. You can add it to your broker account and you boost your account on Pola. So what do you do here? Ujaku Forex. You click on Forex, then quotes. Now, wotuka waneno, This is a currency yongayo. It is not a currency pair. It is a currency. Nga bwolaba euro yoka, yen eri yoka. So what do? You click on the euro, for example, bwetubanga jetugenda okolirako analysis yaffe. Once you click there, ejja kuweereza euro yongayo. It won't give you euro dollar. It won't give you euro this. Ejja kuwa just euro currency index yoka. Now this is where you're going to do your analysis. If you come back here on this day, let me say, for example, we are looking at the speech. What am I looking at? Euro currency index. I am looking at old highs and old lows, liquidity, void and liquidity pool. Okay, that is what I'm looking at. Sina chidala chentunulira. Wano kati ndi kukola analysis ahead of time. I'm doing my analysis ku chart. Mazo kola analysis ya mawulire. I know ngenda beda mukatale, ngenda nonya entries 15 minutes after the speech. Okay, tuchali ku speech tetunagenda ku actual. 15 minutes ahead of, 15 minutes after this time. I'm looking for entries. So beda mukatale at least 1 hour before okukola analysis zonna, okuteekayo institutional levels zo, okunonya currency pair enough kweno, then you execute your trades. You know what to do. So here, what do we have? Let's look at this move here. Sawemu ezokumacha eza New York. Now, when you look at the euro at around 6 a.m., 6:15. Let's look at 6:30. This is the dollar. The euro 6:15. So at 6:15, let's look for 6:30. The New York time. Wano wenyine nyine. So enogundi, you will want to put it neither New York time. Okay, you will come here, which take a New York time here. Then you click OK. It's the same nga trading view. It's the same nga trading view. What you do, you're going to set your things bulungi ngobude buchali. Okay, you set your lines osobola okujja wano mukasonda wano. Now if you want to maximize this website, if you want to maximize the website, you click here ku full screen, then nejula ku screen ikona. I don't know why it's not doing that, but okay, okay. Osobola choose color ya candles and you customize it ngabo kola ku trading view, which is okay. So what do you do here? You do this. You come, we are going to mark the time. Sawa meka is a New York. Wotusubira amawulire. It is speech wano tujisubira sawa zino 6:15. So we are going to mark 6:30 the New York time. Let's mark 6:30 New York time. I'm going to come 6:30 hour. Ku euro. Oja marking echo, you keep quiet. When price hits this line, oba etute highs eno, oba etute lows, this is when you're looking for an entry. Wano winter day 6:30. Why am I not giving you trading view? Because ku trading view, markets zitandeko tambula at 8 o'clock in the morning, the New York time. And whereby, kweno website, market zibeda zikola Monday to Friday. It's only when you pay trading view, market wezitambula every time. So what other than you paying, you come here. This is a speech. 15 minutes after the speech, you're looking for your entry. you're looking for the entry. Let's come back to the forecast. Here, to in a forecast, to in an actual. Okay? The previous rather. Previously, eri greater than the forecast. What do you think is going to happen here? You've already guessed. We are not giving retailers opportunities to do what? To sell. Other than we are buying. Smart money. Let's come back here. We mark what time? At the same time. Okay? 5 o'clock in the morning, the New York time. Come. Look for 5 o'clock. The New York time. Okay? That is 5:10. Then 5 o'clock in the morning. Wano tusubirewo amawulire agagenda obeera bullish. Okay? Amawulire agagenda obeera bullish on this day. What do? Retail traders think that they are going to sell, but smart money is looking at a buy. An hour before this or an hour after this, the markets will be affected. Now, on such a day, you have 2 events. You have 5 o'clock, one at 5 o'clock, and the other one at 6:30. You're only trading the New York time. You're not trading a interview. Now, you wait for smart money to show you what to do, okay? You already know you're going to buy. Which one are you going to buy? You are going to buy the what? This false forecast. You're going to buy when retailers are selling. You're going to be long. And again, at this time, we have the speech. So what do you do there? You wait for this time. What time of the day? 6:30, the New York time. 1. Gana mawulire gajja kujja gayinza oku affecting a market an hour before or an hour after. If you see here, smart money is already doing what they do best. Okay? They're already buying. What are they waiting for? This same time one in. Now the time you know kulinda. All these laws were taken down here. Ngenda kutwala ku chart nkulage example. Liquidity taken here. If we have a forecast, etulaga bearishness now. They do this ahead of time to show a retail trader that this is a lower low and another lower low. Na yegwe omanyi what lies below these lows. That is liquidity. Taken. After taking liquidity, what do you think we have up here? Nayo tuyinawo sente. And already you know what to do. Already you know you're going to be bullish. You're going to be long. So if liquidity is taken once, you're going to wait for liquidity. So you're going to buy while retail traders are selling. Plan your trade and trade your plan. You're only entering the market between these 2 lines. You're looking for opportunities. Use institutional levels. Now, after doing this, ngaku euro, you are going to visit your chart. Okay, you're going to do fundamental and you're going to still doing your analysis. So what are you going to do? You're going back on the same website. Now, this is how I look at my charts. Wano nyinawo dollar, wano nyinawo Canadian dollar, no musonda nyinayo euro, ne wano nyinawo pound. These are the only, pairs. These are the only currencies that I trade. I don't trade the JPY NZD, the JPY CAD, the JPY CHF, no. I look at these 4 pairs against the other exotic. Okay? Like the pound yen, pound New Zealand, pound this, euro that, euro this, okay? Nze mbeera bwe nti nga ntunuulira market. euro etambula etya, pound etambula etya. So what do you do here? Ngomaze okola analysis yo ku euro. Right here, you've already done your analysis on the euro. Okay, just like you see here, I guess that is the computer I'm showing you. Okay, right here. So what do? You know what to do on the euro. So you're going to look for a currency that is weak. Okay, ojanonya currency enough. Let's just share that. So what do? Let's look for the New Zealand NZD. So this is NZD. You don't want to sell, you don't want to buy ku euro, the New Zealand is also buying. No. You buy the strong and sell the weak. So you want to see the New Zealand selling, then when it comes to obudebo obukuingira katale, you will buy, okay, the euro New Zealand. Let's look for the CHF as well. Olabe CHF chekola. So you see the CHF here. If the CHF is selling at that time, is amawulire, the time you marked, you're going to look for opportunities to buy the euro CHF. Lwachi euro eja kwambuka as the New Zealand is falling. Awufunira pips nyingi. Okay, awufunira pips nyingi in less than no time. Ndaba video, the video is taking long now. Let me take you to yesterday's example, the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Nkulage analysis je twakoze. So I will do this. You will come here. Let's go to yesterday. So this is yesterday, 2022. So right here, ku euro, twabadde ne speech, high volatility expected, twabadde ne speech. What time? At 4. We also had another speech at what time? 5:30. Speech zabadde nyingi. Then the pound also had a speech. Sawa meka, sawa 12 ezokumacha. And remember, we've said 15 minutes after the speech. That's when the markets are likely to be affected. 85% sure, not 100. The dollar yabadde ne false signal somewhere where the dollar yatuwadde forecast eya sell oba forecast ebadde mu negative, whereby already chokola oba okimanyi. So let's go ahead and let me just go ahead and show you what happened yesterday. If you want osobola okudda ku chart seasonal ukolenga analysis. We're going to look at the euro and the dollar specifically. Nkulage ekyabaddewo. So let's use TradingView. Let's first come to the DXY or the dollar currency index. So yesterday amawulire agabaddewo ku dollar, this is what the mawulire did. Amawulire gabaddemu negative, gabadde galaga forecast egenda okugwa, but smart money instead bought. Okay, smart money instead bought. That's why we trade the news. That's how we trade the news. Once they say that we are selling, you are not going to sell, you're going to buy. And once they say that we are buying, you're not going to buy, you're going to sell. Njogera ku forecast. This was yesterday. This was yesterday, June 28th. Remember this. If the previous is lower than the forecast, you are selling. If the previous is greater than the forecast, you're buying. Lwachi, because retail traders want to forecast, they want to buy. 101 senior retail traders, they want to sell. So you do the opposite. Okay, you're going to do the opposite. Speech nkugambye 15 minutes ahead of time. Let me show you what happened to euro before we talk about dollar. So the euro was doing this. Okay, so let's look at the euro full screen. So yesterday, you see these highs here. These highs were taken. Okay, they traded above those highs yesterday. 1 and 2 relative equal highs here. Waberawo liquidity. Once at 7:15. At 7:15 here. Market nekirira wansi. 7:15. Took this high at 3 a.m. It traded above these highs at 7:15, then dropped. Lwaki? Twabadde ne speech at 7. Let me show you. Twabadde ne speech ku euro at 7. This one here, 7. Yesterday, the very last speech at 7. 7 New York time. You know one. When you come here, what happened? At 7:15, this green candle traded above the previous high, then dropped. You're not entering the market at 7. You're not selling at 7, because if you sold at 7 here, put your stop loss where retail traders have their stop loss, you are out. So you're waiting 15 minutes after. But about 15 minutes that price is rallying, so we have highs here, this high and this one. If we run above that, ate, you know what to do. Okay, we are looking for liquidity. Let's look at 7:15. The dollar. What did the dollar do? Dollar yabadde eina forecast in full. Okay, dollar yabadde eina forecast in full. Retail traders sold and smart money bought. So what do you think happens when the dollar, the euro is selling and the dollar is buying? That is when you earn a lot of liquidity in the forex market. Katukole analysis ku trading view. Let's have our analysis ku trading view ku euro dollar. Let's have the euro USD. Euro USD. So what are you doing here? 15 minutes past this time. Okay, 15 minutes past. You're looking for what opportunities? Here, right here. You mark midnight New York time. After marking midnight New York time, come back here. Look at what the dollar is doing. Okay, or kulaba dollar chichi chekola as well. Let's look at the USD yesterday. What was the dollar doing? The dollar was buying. The dollar was buying simply because yabade eina gunde edi false. If you look at this, this is a retail head and shoulder. This is a retail head and shoulder. What do you think they are going to do here? They are selling here. Okay, smart money knows what is happening. They are selling. And what happens when they sell? This is a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. The neckline is these two. Let me show you. Okay, I know the video is taking long, but okay, let me say this is their shoulder right there, the neckline, that is the head. And what do the books say? Golaba head and shoulder. You sell here, take stop loss ku head, on your head, and the head was hit. Okay, the head was crushed there. So you're not trading retail concepts. You're first looking for what retailers are thinking. You do the opposite, or CDK. So the dollar, let's look at this same area there. At 7.15, we know what is going to happen. We are going short. Okay, we are going short. We are not buying. We are selling. Imbalance, you're using institutional levels for entries past midnight. So Twina, which level around here? We have the 0 level. We have the 0 level there. We have the 0 level there. If price rallies to that level, well, you enter the market. If you fear, they've given you another opportunity. Okay, they've given you another opportunity. The 8 level as your entry. Okay, they've given you the 80 level as your entry there. You can sell there. Price comes to the 80 level, one. Okay, you sell there. But if you want, you wait for price to come when an area of imbalance. Ow. Then before that, we also had this imbalance, 1 and 2. Do you enter there? Absolutely. You sell there, or you wait for this other imbalance here, price to come in that imbalance. So entries zibadde nyingi. Entries zibadde nyingi, just you don't do your analysis. Ngabo, you know, call analysis. That is what you do. Let's look at the dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, the dollar USD JPY. So since we know that the dollar is going to buy, okay, since we all knew that the dollar would buy, you're looking for entries between midnight and 11 o'clock in the morning. This is, that is midnight there. You wait for the news, then you do what you're supposed to do. Video ndaba, it's taking long, and I wouldn't want to have video ya sawa emu yogera ku kintu kimu. So let's go back here. The speech 15 minutes after the actual time. What are you looking for? Let's run above old highs, below old lows. Do your analysis kuchi. You're doing your analysis ku currency index. Ina speech, ina high volatility expected. That's when you're doing your analysis. Then you're also trading this one against either a falling market or the rising market or the consolidating market. You're doing the opposite. If this one is buying, you look for a currency that is selling. Nchidamu website ye no wano wajita mataf.net. Ngenda kuteera link yayo mu description. Wansi. I hope this was insightful. Let's end this video from here. We create room for upcoming episodes.